Hi everybody, I'm Abril. I'm developer relations engineer at Morph. So this is me. If you know me already, welcome. And then I've been building DeFi protocols as a Solidity engineer before, and now I'm working in Morph. And let's talk about what is Morph. So basically, Morph is an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution that uses optimistic CKVM. And our vision is basically redefine the blockchain landscape with a clear focus on the consumer application. So we are prioritizing consumer-centric innovation, focusing on the needs, on the experiences of users, ensuring that our platform is intuitive, efficient, and basically beneficial for everyday use. Then we are also focusing on transparency and trust, basically building a community grounded in openness and mutual trust. And we are backed by Dragonfly, Pantera, BitGet, Spartan, and a bunch of other venture capitals. And we are also focusing on decentralized AI protocols, which is a very early ecosystem, but pretty exciting. So as I mentioned before, we are backed by the most trustworthy crypto VCs and angel investors. We just raised 20 million in seed and fundraising for so basically we have $25 million in investment from the previous pre-seed round as well. So now we are going to talk about the technical features. We have a pretty solid tech stack because we are basically integrating the centralized sequencer network, and we are the first and only L2 using the centralized sequencers. We have currently 7 sequencers running on testnet, and basically what that means is the centralized sequencers are responsible for both consensus and execution of smart contract operations. The sequencer network basically orchestrates, processes, and achieves consensus on layer 2 transactions. Then we are also integrating optimistic CKVM, which is responsible for state verification. It basically utilizes a hybrid approach, blending optimistic and CK rollups. Layer 2 states are basically finalized by a significantly shorter challenge period and proved by a CK proof. We are also integrating rollup contract and bridge, responsible for DA through a rollup process. So our infrastructure partners are Peth for Oracle, Switchboard, Bridge for Layer 0, Orbiter Finance, Polyhedra for Data Indexer, Dgraph, and RPC QuickNote. If you want to integrate with us, just let me know. So why Morph? Basically, we are giving a lot of developer incentives, which is easy access to over 30 million crypto users with solid partnerships with basically BitGet, because we're partnering with them, and wallets like BitGet Wallet and Trust Wallet. We also have a venture studio, which basically implies that we are offering support for builders, from hackathons to post-listing on these exchanges. And we provide incubation, investment networking, fundraising, starting from 10K, community exposure, and market presence. We have an estimate of 100 million ecosystem fund to support long-term builders. And this is what we are looking for. So if you're a builder and you want to build on Morph, this is our clear focus. So we have, in the consumer-centric apps, we have SocialFi, entertainment, loyalty system points. And then the centralized AI side, we have AI games, decentralized compute, AI data, decentralized models. There's so many things to build on Morph that basically we are looking to innovate our chain with those protocols. And then any DApp that can basically surprise us, starting from DeFi protocols, NFTs, marketplaces, or any infrastructure and developer tools. So we are also giving first year 100% sequencer fee profits, and we are paying out quarterly to all of our builders. Up to 100K financial support, plus a share of 30% of total airdrop allocations. And we are giving marketing resources support for our builders with wallet collaborations, top industry connections, and a lot of support in marketing campaigns as well. Everything that's if you're building something and you want something specific, you want to expand your network, you want more, you want grants, we can build that specifically for your project. And this is our roadmap. So we launched testnet in Sepolia 2 months ago. We integrated optimistic CK-EVM, so we are working with CK Rollup now, and the centralized sequencers. And basically now, in a few weeks, we are integrating the new testnet. We are migrating to Holesky, and we are integrating Dencon upgrade and CK-EVM upgrade as well. Then we're going to launch mainnet in July, so stay tuned. We'll have Morph staking related to the centralized sequencers and our AI ecosystem support, so we're working towards that. And then afterwards, we're going to integrate native account abstraction and layer 3 support. And yeah, that's all. So basically, if you're building something related to consumer applications, decentralized AI, please let me know, reach out, and we are happy to help any builder who wants to build with us. Thank you.
We still have a bit of time. Do we have any question?
Hey, thanks for coming here. And my question is, like, how you are focusing in a developer community so that our developers focus on particular domain which you have just mentioned, like related to AI, gaming, like how you are channelizing the idea of developers towards building particular applications.
So basically, we are trying to incentivize AI engineers to come to build on Morph, basically providing a lot of different hackathons. So now we have 3 hackathons going on, including the ETH Dubai hackathon. And so we are working towards the ecosystem AI support for Q3. And I think with the integration of optimistic rollups and with the full integration of optimistic CK-EVM, we will definitely support decentralized AI protocols, I don't know, decentralized AI agents, everything that's on-chain related to AI will be pretty useful after the next testnet. So definitely reach out to me if you are building in AI or you just want to explore ideas, because I have a lot of different ideas for that. I'm pretty excited on the ecosystem. So yeah, I hope that responded to your question.
Any other question? No. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.